When I was very, very little, all I wanted in this world was a snake. And my dad was like, we're not getting a snake. Because he just was scared of them.
And we just wanted to give everybody a quick update because a few people have asked us how Pumpkin is doing. So she's doing very well.
First got her. She was about this long. Like, cut off this much of her. And that would
be... I've looked all over our house for a tape measure. And it's weird. I cannot find one because we're contractors. But I would say she was...
2 feet. 1.5 feet, I would say.
No, she's at least 2. Maybe 2.5. I'm not really sure what's actually considered normal, but we were at our...
She was about this big when we first got her. Now she's like that big.
We were at our friend's house the other night, and she is a full-size normal ball python, and she is huge. So it's weird to think that...
This big?
Mm-hmm.
I'll say move it.
You want to show that she just shed?
Yes. So... this would be her shed. This is what snake people do.
Still not as big as Coach Megan's with hers.
They're about... Coach Megan's is like, take this, and then take that. Big.
She's about 5 feet long, I think.
Yeah, 5 feet. About a toddler size.
And then, hers, mine is like really soft.
Oh my goodness!
She's just smelling you.
Oh, I told you, he'll be the next one. Did you like the snake?
You feel like guinea pig.
Yeah, he told me. Can I take it home? I know. I think it's because she's wet. It's because she's wet. She's kind of, when she slithers,
she's like wanting to see what's up with her.
Did you want to bite me? No.
No.
Be very calm. You want to hold it?
She'll strangle you first before she bites you, don't worry.
Still eating mice.
Live.
But she eats much better than the last time. I don't know if she's actually on video. Here she is.
She's like,
hey, Pumpkin.
Food?
Yeah, it's time for her to eat so we can feed her.
Are you ready to see
The last time we made a video with her eating, it took her forever to figure this out. But
she's a rapper. Oh, she's trying to suffocate
she's trying to suffocate the paper towels.
She's hungry. And
well, she knows she comes over here to eat. We do feed her. Where are you going?
So when they get older, Coach Megan, a snake expert, she says that they will, she eats once a week. Coach Megan, when they're older, they will eat each 1 month.
Well, that's how their snake does. I'm not sure if that's how, but her snake eats like once a month.
But they're the same house. Yes. Are you ready to see the victim of today?
So we started. Okay. We started at the pet store is about a half an hour from here, so we started getting 2 mice at one time. And then because it's such a pain to go get them, and so then I keep one in the bathroom and feed it, and then I feel guilty about it. And
he's ugly.
But he actually really smells this time. And then one time we were driving home, we picked up 2 mice, and we were driving home, and all of a sudden Monica goes, "Oh my God!" And I look down and there's 2 mice in my console, and so I'm like trying as quickly as I can get over it. I'm like, give me something, give me something. She gives me her lunchbox. So I pick one up and I get it in the lunchbox, and I get the next one, and it bites the crap out of me. And I did not feel so bad about feeding. I was like, I hope she gets the one that bit me first. But so since then, we've remembered to bring a little container. Pumpkin, where are you going? Okay, we're still feeding her. Everyone says that, or a lot of people said it's better to. Hey, I brought it in. It's in here. Oh, you're bringing the dogs in for feeding the snake. We're still kind of feeding her in a container, and it takes like 2 seconds to feed her, and then putting her back. I haven't tried again to feed her in her enclosure because the one time we did it, it was.
She wasn't even close to getting it. Are you ready? You're going on a journey to heaven. No, it's okay. She's going to a good
she really,
place.
that mice really smells. Okay, are you gonna get her out?
Yes.
Someone's like, I smell the mouse.
Sorry.
There's also a dog running behind us, squeaking a toy. We've been doing Leopard, and we've been pet sitting. So we have 2 extra puppy dogs right now. And we're about to go take care of 2 more when we're done here. We're done killing this mouse. Let's go for the don't. She's having some issues. Scoot it. Okay, good. Okay.
It peed.
The mouse
So I'll
peed.
have to
See, I hate it when the
It's not cute. It's ugly.
See, I feel bad for the mouse.
It's ugly. In there, with the lid on. Are y'all ready, folks? Okay.
Okay, let's take the lid off. So let's see. She'll find it in like 2 seconds.
That's head first.
Well, she does. I hate this
Okay,
part.
once one of our cats were sitting right here, and so they were sitting right here, and then she was finally found the mouse, and she jumped at it, and at the same time, the cat just flew off.
Yeah, we have 9 cats, and they'll sit up on the island right here, and they all like look over when she's gonna eat. And of course, we know the cats could hurt her. She's
Here's
still
a
small.
snake skin.
Yeah, they saw that for me. And so when she struck at the mouse, one of the cats was like, oh, and just fell backwards off the counter.
Okay, imagine he's a frog. So, it's like, defeated.
So our friend made this for her cage. It's super cute.
Still Kush, Megan.
Pumpkin pie. And this is Milo.
We just got him.
We didn't just get him. We've had him for a couple months.
Yeah.
And anyway, the most strangest thing to me about the snake, like she poops and I clean it up, but I've never really
If you could
cleaned
feel
the
this
cage.
side.
It just like doesn't smell bad and it doesn't really get dirty. And I remember when we had bearded dragons, they would poop and you would have to clean it like immediately. She
Can
just
I
did a
tell
pretty
you
decent sized shed.
Story about the bearded dragons we used to have. And okay.
What, are you scared of that?
What is it? This is a dog we're babysitting.
This is Spears. He's a Brittany named Spears.
I'm gonna show him.